Hi Merch Masterminds, it's Carter from Awkward Styles, back with a new product review. Today we'll be talking about print-on-demand tumblers, specifically our stainless steel adventure tumblers. We'll go over its features, print area, how to customize it on Awkward Styles, and how you can sell your own on Etsy and Shopify. Let's get started. If you're new here, let me remind you that with print on demand, you can customize tumblers just like this one and sell it online without having to worry about keeping inventory, printing, or shipping. You can sign up for your free Awkward Styles account using the link below, which will give you access to over 150 customizable products and easy integrations to Etsy, Shopify, and WooCommerce. Now onto the actual review. The Adventure Tumbler is made of stainless steel, holds up to 20 ounces of liquid, and comes with a thumb side lid, as well as classic seamless vacuum insulated double wall. This tumbler keeps liquids cold for 24 hours and hot for 12 hours. It stands at 6 7/10 of an inch tall and has a print area of 10.2 by 5.7 inches. To design this product, log into your awkwardstyles.com account, go to the product catalog, click on drinkware, and choose the Adventure Tumbler. Click on Let's Design, and it'll take you to our mockup generator. Here, you can upload your own designs, add text, or use designs from the Awkward Styles library. We'll go over how to sell them on your store later on in this video. When customizing this tumbler, remember that the background is metal, and it does not come with a white background automatically. If you'd like a background, be sure to include it in the file that you upload. Next, let's talk about how you can sell these in your store. First, connect your store if you haven't done so already. You can go to integrations from your dashboard, select the platform you want to use, and click connect. If you want to connect your Shopify store, you can also download our app, Awkward Styles Print on Demand, from the Shopify App Store. Once your store is connected, you can upload the tumbler listings directly from our mockup generator. When you're satisfied with your preview, click on Upload Product. You'll be redirected to a page where you can select which store you want to upload it to and fill in key details of your listings, including mockups, descriptions, markup, etc. That's all for today's review. If you like this video, please like and subscribe, and let us know in the comments below if there's any product from our catalog that you'd like us to make a video about. Thank you for watching. Until next time.